Hello my dear fans, a big kiss for you all. Thank you for watching my videos. I truly appreciate it, and thank you very much for the fact that you are able to watch and see what I'm doing in my every single day and how I am doing, whether I feel nice or slightly sadder, depending on my moods, depending on my weather here where I live. And I would like to share with you something else that I've spent time doing. Have a look. This is a large doily. I've made it with this hook number 4, and I have made it in a couple of months. It took me a couple of months to make it. I'm doing the last row, the last level. This is the yarn that I have made with. This is a multicolored yarn. It's acrylic yarn, so it's very stretchy. And I thought I'm going to show you this piece and see for yourself what things I do and what I'm up to most of my time. Yes, I like to do handmade things, and it gives me a lot of peace and calm in my life when I do certain things by hand, and this is one of them. I've made this pattern from a Russian journal, which I like so much, and as you can see, it's huge. It's made with this hook, and I would like for you to be able to see it and possibly like it. Write in the comments please if you like my doilies, and what would you like me to do next in my next videos as handmade, maybe some new craft that you may think that I would like to enjoy. It would be nice for you to give me some ideas of another beautiful things that I might try my fingers to do, and hopefully I'll be able to do and please you with new projects of something else that you may propose in the comments. Please write, don't be shy. Write your ideas, write your comments, good or bad, I will accept them all. And hopefully you're going to enjoy seeing videos with my art, with my creations. It looks nice. It looks like actually like a short dress, don't you think so? It's beautiful. I like the color. The color is just so nice. Obviously things like this I can't sell them because the amount of work that I put in, it's so much. Probably I'll not be able to have a price, exact price for things like this, because it takes me such a long time to do it. So much patience and work, and I get attached to certain items that I do, and I don't want to send them away from myself. I don't want to sell them, so I just tend to keep a lot of the things that I do. So please don't be surprised that some of the things I may not sell on Etsy, but certain other things I would sell on Etsy. Those things that I actually do for Etsy, for you as a customer, as a fan. So please don't be shy and have a look in my Yeti account and enjoy buying. Thank you for subscribing.